Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. And I'm here with Ken.
Hello.
Ken's going to drive this today for me so I can film. We're out at the BERCC for a bit of a bash for my birthday and various other things. Ken's got some other rigs which we'll probably see a bit later on. This is Amphibious and skid steer. We've got some water over there, we've got the scale trail, and we'll get down to doing that in a second. Before we do all that, don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment and subscribe. Head off this way through the wet bits. Doesn't have the best of ground clearance, but this is certainly my best buy last year. Dexter seems to be interested in it. You see what he's doing? So we'll take it over to head towards the scale area and leave Dexter in peace. Go left. I'm going to pause the video.
It's quite nippy, isn't it?
It is. There's a speed run on the channel of it as well, and there's also one in yellow. The body comes off with 4 screws, so you can clean underneath it, but I'm thinking about putting a light bar on the top. No, don't think it's quite going to make it up there. It'll do a descent there, but I don't think it's going to do a climb because it's getting...
No, it's high centre one.
Yeah.
I love the turning circle.
It is a JJRC 8x8 skid steer, and it's fully amphibious. I've had it in the sea, I've had it in lakes. It is just the best purchase I made last year.
The skid steer takes a bit of getting used to.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one. Alright, well, we'll see you in a bit. Cheers, mate. Bye.
Whoop.
I mean, it might be a struggle.
I think on dry tyres it might be. I think on the way back to the car I'm going to run it back through the
Oh, through the lake?
Through the puddle, yeah. put that.
Oh man, that is a whole bunch of fun.
It is, and considering the price of it, and I got the 2 battery version. So, should we take it round on the comp area? And
Yeah.
so we'll move around there. Now we don't know how well it will do over here because it's not got very much ground clearance. Oh, hey, nice recovery. If you put something like a beetle body on it,
Yeah.
I think it helps having a hard body.
I'm beat. I'm calling that a save.
Yeah, you can try going up one of these.
Yeah, I'll try and go up this one. I think that's going to be the best one. You ready?
Yeah. It might get up that other one. You go cross those. Oh.
Lively little devil.
It is. It's quick. Oop. Yeah, it's fully amphibious. It is an ideal Christmas present. It is an ideal birthday present. It's my best buy of. Huh? Yeah, about 30. I got the 2 battery version. I think it was about 30 with carriage and stuff. Get the monster out of the way. Not quite got the traction. On a dry day, we'll try another little bit along here.
Just crash it down the hill.
Still on the first battery, so
You're doing well.
this bit it should do alright on.
I might have to just give it a... Oh, I might go up here actually. I guess it wanted to come down.
Lovely scale landies there. Nicely driven. I doubt it will get up there. Yeah. No.
you get the hang of it, it's going to be a surprisingly capable little truck, to be fair.
Yeah, and also if it wasn't absolutely caked with mud.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, let's stop that there. So I'm just cleaning this off now. Right folks, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you all again next time.